I'm hearing the person with her. She was, I think, a young girl. The one with her, the girl was like not shouting, but she was crying. She was in pain. The person next to her was reading to her Quran and says, this is not what we do when we are in pain. This is what we do when we are in pain. Wahidillah. You keep hearing this. And the real Muslims, you hear them. Wahidillah, say la ilaha illallah. And he reads Quran to her. Subhanallah. Then I met the first physician who I spoke to, who I posted yesterday. And I said, what do you feel? I asked him, actually. We are in a survival mode. We don't have a time to cry for the people we lost. You know, when you hear this, like look at your faces. Imagine I'm hearing this. And in front of me, and I see around me blood everywhere, injured everywhere. And then he said, and I kept asking people, if you go back to the October 7, do you want it to be different? Majority said no. You would be so surprised. They said, because somebody has to do something. Someone has to remind people we exist. Someone has to, people were in jail, in an open jail. Yes, we were living okay. We were living in good, not by my and your standard. I mean, there was food, there was family, there was relatively peace. But somebody has to know that this part of earth belongs to us, and they need to know we exist. Subhanallah.